Okay, guys. Do we have to you to those who are using WordPress, especially page builder? I think it's a love and hate kind of relationship that most of us has have with the page builder. So today I just want to share with you a problem that I'm having with Elementor, which I had yesterday. So today I'm just going to see whether the problem exists or not again. Okay, this is Abdul Aziz again from my YouTube channel, where I'll be sharing with you some tips and ideas about our digital marketing. And in today's video, it is just one of the WordPress tutorial that I'm giving to my audience. Okay, so I hope you guys, if you like this video, maybe you can just after this you can just share, subscribe to my channel. Okay, today I'm just going to show you what happened with my WordPress site, my Elementor site yesterday. So I'm okay. This is a fresh page that I'm going to be setting up. Let's just call it. I'll call it new page. New page. Okay, let's publish the page. Okay. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is want to edit with Elementor. Let's see what happened. Yesterday, the builder could not load. So I just want to see today whether the builder can load or not. This is one step that everybody who are using see it doesn't load. See, it doesn't load here. Okay, let's see what should we do now. Let's go here and see learn more. This is one of the big problem that I'm facing with WordPress with Elementor, which is why I actually now trying to move out of Elementor and looking seriously into Gutenberg. Okay? So I just want to show what's going on here. So let's see what are the fix. This is a page which Elementor has directed us to see how we can see. So the first thing is that some of the theme files are missing. Okay, so I don't think the theme files are missing because they are. I'm using the theme. We are using the theme and corrupted HTSS file. Okay, this is something that I might want to use. Anyway, let's see what are they suggesting us to do. First thing is that enable safe mode. Follow procedure outlined in what is safe mode. So let's see whether say this thing comes in, enable safe mode. First thing we do, let's see whether this thing will work or not. So enable safe mode. Safe mode on. Still doesn't work. So it's still showing this error. Okay, means to say that even though you enable the safe mode, it's still not working. Now make sure the theme file exists. So the theme is there. So there is a theme. So if we go to our dashboard, so let's just go to the dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard. Uh, Let me just type this again. Have have any one of you has any one of you got this problem or not in your using of Elementor? Maybe if you got this problem, maybe you can share with me how you solve this problem. Well, anyway, I'm not sure because I've been having this problem with a lot of my sites whenever I'm using Elementor. So I hope that we can find out what's actually the problem, how we solve this problem. Let's see now. Let's go to dashboard. Let's go to dashboard now. Okay, what does it say here? It says here the theme file exists. So the theme is there. No, if you check here, we are using the theme. We are using, I think, if I'm not mistaken, Astra team here. Okay, we are using Astra team, so there's no problem. There's no issue of whether we're using team or not. Okay, make sure the site address is the same as WordPress address URL. Okay, so uh, okay, the site address must be the same. Okay, let's check whether we are using the same address or not. Let's move this thing here. Settings, general. So we are using the same address. This is our address. This is what we've typed. No problem. It's still the same. Okay. Now let's see again what else we need to do. Permalink section. Select the plain option. Click save changes. Okay. Select the plain option. Click save changes. So we need to go here. Go to permalink. Permalink. So we need to select plain option. Okay. Let's save here. Plain option. Okay. Now let's see whether this thing work or not. Okay. Now let's see. Can we load the page again? Let's reload this page. Let's reload the page and let's wait for a while. So let's see whether this thing work or not. Still doesn't work. Okay, still doesn't work. So now we are up to number 4. Okay, still doesn't work. When using permanently, blah 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 blah. Please contact your hosting provider. Edit in incognito mode of your browser. Okay. Now this is talking about doing it in incognito mode. Now before we do that, let's see what other things that it suggests us to do. Solve rocket loader issue, Elementor or Cloudflare integration smoothly. Okay, they asked us to put our onto a Cloudflare which we do not have. Verify that you do not have a direct on the page. You can see if the case by hitting the debug preview mode. Uh, if the index file has been renamed or if its content include anything else other than WordPress recommend, they will result in this error. Oh, okay. So hosting issues, or this is something that okay. Let's see the problem with the htaccess file. Let's do something here. Okay, let's see here. Okay, let's go to our backend htaccess. This is the htaccess file. So this is basically the basic file now. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to copy this. Just go copy this section here. Oh, let's close this without saving. Okay, let's duplicate this file. Can I duplicate this file? Oh, I cannot duplicate this file. Copy, don't rename. Oh, okay. What I need to do now is let's copy first. Oops. Now the htaccess has changed. Now let's take the fresh htaccess container. Let's go here. This is the original htaccess file. Somehow it has changed just now. Okay, this is the original file. Let's copy. Let's create a new file. Let's create a new file. Okay. Let's create a new file. Okay, let's paste the code here. And we also need to paste this code here actually. PHP version here. We need to paste this code here. Okay, let's copy this because this is a requirement of our hosting server that we need to paste the version here. Let's paste it here. And let's save the file as HTSS file. HTXS. Okay, save. So this is new HTXS file. Okay. Now let's close this file and rename it to a new name. Let's call it. Let's rename it and call it one. Okay, rename it. And now we need to upload a new file, the file that we just created just now. Okay, we just need to upload here. Upload. So, oops, let's rename it first. Rename it. So you have to remove the text. Okay. So now we have a new HTSS file. So if we open this thing now, it's fresh content. Huh? Okay, save and close. Let's close. Now let's try again our WordPress site. Now let's hope this thing works now. Let's hope this thing work. Now let's do another round of reloading. Still doesn't work. Well, how do you guys make this thing work? Huh. Now it says here that we need to open up through incognito file. Now let's log this thing out again. Okay, let's type this with our incognito browser. See whether this thing works or not. Let's go to incognito. Okay. See, this is one of the problem that this main problem with Elementor. Okay, that's why I think, like I said earlier, I'm contemplating seriously moving my sites to from away from Elementor, or building my client site away from Elementor, and just focusing on either DV or Oxygen, or even Gutenberg, standard WordPress site on Gutenberg. Now let's see. Oh, sorry, I need to type the login. Let's see whether it will work here or not. Okay, let's put my username and login. Okay, let's try again. All pages. See, this is the new pages now I created. Now let's try again and do our edit with Elementor. Still doesn't work. The preview could not be loaded. So what else should we do now? Okay, what else should we do? Can anybody help me? Okay, I've done the HTSS file. Have correct permission, security plugin. What else should I do? Another plugin may cause conflict. Deactivate all plugins except Elementor. Okay, so now it's asking us to deactivate all plugins. Well, let's do it. Let's try and deactivate all plugins. So this thing doesn't work. Let's go out. Let's try to deactivate all. No, so let's close the incognito. Let's go back to our here normal browser. Now I'm going to have to turn off all plugins except for Elementor. This is what is being suggested. So there's a lot of, this is just a nuisance, it's just a nuisance trying to do all this just to make our, Elementor page builder loading. So anyway, let's try and let's deactivate one by one and see which one is causing the problem. According to that article, the problem could be because of conflict in plugin. So let's see now. So we deactivated one plugin now. So we don't want to deactivate all at the same time. We just want to see which one is causing the problem. So let's go now to the pages again. Let's see this page, edit the Elementor. Let's see now. It's taking some time to load. Still doesn't work. Still doesn't work. Now let's deactivate this one now. Let's reload again. Wow, this is crazy, Elementor is crazy. See, you're just wasting your time trying to solve this problem with Elementor. I never have, used to have this sort of problem in Divi, but now Divi has basically removed this problem. So see, still happening. Let's remove again. Let's now deactivate another one. Let's reload again. See, this is crazy. Elementor is crazy. See, still doesn't work. Let's remove this now. Let's reload it again. Still. Let's go to this now. Let's reload again. Still the same. No changing, no changes. Let's deactivate again, another one. Imagine this happening to your client side and you need to update the content. Suddenly you can't do it because of this problem. So what are you supposed to do now? Okay, this is crazy. I don't like this. Still, oh my god, what's happening? Oh my god, what's happening? We're left with only three now. What's happening? Can't can't load the page builder. This is crazy. Still happening. Well, let's deactivate again another one, Spectra. This is crazy, man. Is it? Okay, let's just remove everything. Let's just see what happens. Starter templates. No, I don't want to load this because it could be caching problem there. Let's try this new loading. See, it's still happening. My God, this is crazy. This is crazy. So let's do the last one. This is crazy. So now I've deactivated all the plugins except for Elementor, and it still doesn't work. I'm not sure what else I want to do. See, it still doesn't work. Hado, oh my god, this is crazy. Still doesn't work. So what else should I do now? Can anybody share with me what else should I do? There's firewall issue. So these are things that this is crazy. This is crazy. Security plugin. So basically, I remove all the plugins. Now let's see. Let's see whether this thing work or not. Let's enable safe mode here. Still doesn't work. Well, guys, so I'm not sure what's going on. I remove all my plugins. Okay, I remove all my plugins except for Elementor, and it still doesn't work. Okay, I can't load the page builder. So, guys, what do you think? Should we use Elementor? Keep on using Elementor or what? This is crazy. If we need to talk to the hosting provider just to resolve this issue, see, it doesn't work. So, guys, what do we need to do now? Do we need to talk to the hosting provider to solve the problem? I don't know. I haven't spoken to them yet. The problem is I can easily use things like page builder, normal Gutenberg page builder to design the website without even relying on Elementor to design a site. So why should I be using Elementor now? Okay. So let's say now, since we're having this problem, let's just activate all plugin again. Let's activate again. I just see the point is when we using page builder is supposed to make our life easy, but apparently it's not making our life difficult. Okay, so I'm not going to use the page builder anymore. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to be using the Gutenberg builder. Okay, let's just show you how this is done. So let's add new page. See, you'll see how fast I can load the page just by using the Gutenberg builder without relying at all on Elementor. Okay, okay, let's call this thing Guten. Let's call this Gutenberg builder. So now what I need to do now is just use Gutenberg builder. Okay, just click here or click here. So we have all the module that we can use for our Gutenberg builder. Okay, or if you want to use template kit, we just go here to template kits and just go here to the pattern. Or let's not use template kit. Let's proceed with just proceed without the template kit. You can straight away build a site without using Gutenberg, without using the page builder. Sorry, my website is slow because of my internet connection. Sorry, see, it's already taking me 30 minutes just to try to solve this problem, whereas I can, straight away get my website ready without, having this problem. So if we just proceed with Gutenberg, as usual, we can put container first, and we can choose two column. Okay, and then we can put our heading here. Let's start heading. So heading. Okay. So let's put our image here. You can straight away design the site without waiting for the thing to load. Straight away I can do. I don't have to waste my time. Okay. Okay. I already got. So now if I want to make this as full, let's go here. This container, and the style here. We can change the background. Say you want to I can straight away design my site without, okay. So I got my site ready. So what else do I need to do? So I can just proceed. See how fast I can do. Okay, spacing. Let's say I want to have top spacing to be 100, bottom to be 100. That's it. So I already got my site ready and just publish. That's it. So I can straight away design my site. Okay. So now I want to make this thing. Let's see. So okay, let's see template here. Let's use Elementor canvas. So let's see the site. See, my site is ready. My site is ready without having problem of loading the. See how fast you can do your site, without relying on the page builder. So that's what I'm saying. I think because of all the issue now that a lot of page builder is having, so I think we should just focus on trying to just proceed with using the subheading for this. See how fast you can do our site. So guys, I still have yet to solve my problem with Elementor, and because of this, I'm now quite reluctant to use Elementor to design my site. I'm more inclined now to actually move my site now design using using I'm more inclined now to use Gutenberg site to just build your website. Okay, guys. So in another some other video, I'm going to start preparing tutorials of using Gutenberg. So anyway, my problem with Elementor I still have yet to resolve. If anybody who are seeing this video can suggest to me how to resolve this problem with Elementor, maybe they can share with me. But definitely for future projects that I've been doing for my clients, either I'll be doing under DV or Oxygen or even Gutenberg for those sites. Okay, that's about it. Thank you very much. All right, okay, bye bye.